control, safety, intuitive.
3 rows
A bang for your buck.
and the number one reason? That sums it up nicely.
Get an Escape with up to $1,500 cash back, or drive one for only $199 a month at your Texas Ford dealer.
It's quiz time during the final days of the Built Ford Tough sales event. What truck's been number one 36 years straight? Hint, this ain't multiple choice. It's Ford. How do we know? We did a little number crunching. Forestry, we came out on top. Building stock, same result. It's simple math. More Ford trucks are out there with you getting the job done. That's why we own it. Now crunch these numbers.
Now get 0% or $5,500 cash back on Subaru during the final days of the Built Ford Tough event at your Oklahoma Ford dealer.
It's